When smoke alarms start beeping, you do not ignore them. You start investigating, trying to find what the problem is. Same with teams. Those subtle signals, like silence in meetings, or avoiding conflict, or delayed messaging, or even poor performance, are very clear signals. They are your smoke alarm. Investigate them, jump into them, work on them. Do not wait until it's too late, because once things catch fire, it is often the point beyond return. So look for those signals, hear those beeps, really listen and investigate. This is 29 out of 100 Leadership Life Analogies. Follow me for more, and I will see you tomorrow.